Hey guys, what's going on? I have absolutely nothing on my face except for a lip balm, no moisturizer, no oils, nothing, because today I am going to show you how I shave my face. So I'm naturally blonde, like a dishwater blonde, so the hair on my body is blonde. Like, it's not dark or anything like that, but the hairs around my like mustache area are a little bit darker on the sides, and they've always been like that. And when you film on YouTube, you just kind of notice things a little bit more, and I've been wanting to get rid of that for like years. So I finally was like, okay, go get yourself a little pixie razor and do it. I think I had the razor in my makeup drawer for about 3 months before I finally got the courage to do it. And even when I sat there, like even after I watched a million videos to do it, I was horrified, terrified, convinced that I was going to cut my face and everybody was gonna know that I tried to shave my face. I asked my esthetician what she thought, and she said just get laser hair removal, which would be the better option, but I have no pain tolerance, so I'm pretty sure I would cry. I know I would cry if I got it, so I thought, like, let's just take the easy route this time. So finally, the day I decided to do it, I like made my friend sit there with me, and I made him like do it on his arm first so I could like see how he did it and what it felt like. And then after he did that, I don't know why, I just felt like a lot more comfortable, so I finally decided to do it. So anyway, I'm gonna show you what I do. So I don't really shave my entire face. I just really go around the mustache area. I don't really have a ton of peach fuzz or anything like that. Nothing that irritates me around the face. I mean, I definitely have a little bit of peach fuzz there, but it's nothing too intense. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna show you what I do, and that's just my mustache area. And I feel like all the videos I've watched like the big YouTubers do it. They never really get close. You can't really see it, you know, so I'm hoping that I'm close enough today. I'm looking in the mirror behind the camera because that's how I can see what I'm doing, because my camera can't plug into an external anything, which is such a bummer. But anyway, hopefully you guys can see around here. I'm not sure if you can. I have pretty bright lights in here as well because my lighting has been really weird, but basically all you want to do is hold the razor, and I've only used this one time. I'm probably going to use it like maybe 2 times. That might be my max, and then I'll toss it and get another one. These are just a couple bucks, but basically I'm gonna grab a different mirror here so I could show. And disclaimer, I am not a professional at this. This is just what I do, so if I'm doing something wrong, sorry. Like I said, I just do what I do. And I know some people will put like moisturizer on their face before oil. I tried both of those and I didn't like it. I like it dry much better, but I obviously have a clean face, and I just use CeraVe. All my products are CeraVe. That's what I use, so none of them have any like harsh chemicals in it that's gonna like burn when I do this, especially after, because you know what it feels like putting on deodorant after you shave. Not fun. So I would just suggest using like a very gentle cleanser and moisturizer and all that good stuff. So hopefully you guys can see the little bit of darkness that I have from the hair. And basically you just want to hold it at a 45-degree angle. So right, we have like a 90-degree angle, 45, so that's kind of like what we're going for. And you just want to do short strokes. And it does feel weird, like I'm not gonna lie. It feels like you're going to cut yourself, but there's like a little guard on these little pixie razors that prevent you from cutting yourself. So slow, short, little strokes downwards, and I don't know, you probably won't, but I can see little hairs. And I just slowly get all those hairs. And like I was saying, you definitely want to test this on an area of skin before you go ahead and do it, to make sure your skin doesn't react funny, because some people might react really weird. So I would just test it on a small part, see what your skin does, and then continue on. So I'm just gonna keep going. Get a little bit closer so you guys can see. I'm gonna switch. I don't know if you're supposed to, but I use my tongue to kind of like use pressure against. And if you have any like breakouts or anything like that, I would definitely avoid those areas. You don't want to like further irritate your skin. Yeah, I mean, that's basically it now. So this is what it looks like after. I'm hoping you guys could see like a little bit of darkness around there. I mean, people have called me out on it on my videos before. By the way, why would you ever do that? Like, please be a nice person and don't call people out on those things, because it's not very nice. But yeah, that's basically what it looks like now that I've gotten rid of the hair. And like I said, I'm not going to do anything around the face, but you could definitely like do your little sideburns if you need to. Like I said, I was horrified and totally scared to do this before I finally got the courage to do it, and I'm so happy I did, because I feel a lot more confident. Which isn't the only reason you should do it. I hear that it's really good, that makes your makeup go on really, really smooth when you do your entire face. I just don't feel the need to do my entire face. And you could totally, like, if you're in a pinch, get the middle of your brows. You should not hold it at that angle. You're supposed to do like a 45-degree angle if you're in a pinch or something like that. So yeah, I just wanted to share like what my experience with it was. Like, I was seriously afraid to do this. I thought I was gonna have like a black mustache come in, and let me tell you, your hair does not feel any different when it comes back. It is super smooth. It does not show any signs of shaving like your legs do or your armpits. Hair grows back the same, and it is super, super soft. So I thought I'd share this with you just to kind of tell you my experience with shaving. Like I said, it's just my mustache, but let me know what you guys do. Have you tried this? Are you afraid? Have you dermaplaned? That's like the next step. I feel like maybe at some point I'm gonna ask my esthetician if we could do dermaplaning, just because I'd like to get that extra skin. I do chemical peels for the most part, and that does remove the skin, like the first layer or something like that of skin, because you literally shed it. But there's downtime, and it's a lot of downtime for me because I have sensitive skin. So yeah, and that's another point I wanted to make. I do have sensitive skin, and my skin gets red really fast, and you could see that I have no reaction to that. So obviously do this at your own discretion. Don't just say, Brittany told me to shave my face, so she did. I just wanted to share that like this has been my experience, and it's been a really good one so far, even though I was so afraid. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my CeraVe moisturizer when I'm done with this video, and let me know if you guys have any questions below. Otherwise, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It means the world to me. Give this video a thumbs up for no makeup, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.